I'm Birdman.
And I'm Adria.
And it's time for Mountain Talk. Here it is Monday, April 29th, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow, yeah, the April is done. We'll put a fork in it and go. Adria, what do we got going on this week in the mountain?
All right, so this week on Tuesday, April 30th at 7 a.m. is the Comfort Dentures open house and ribbon cutting. And that'll be at Comfort Dentures, which is by Mountain Comfort, which is behind the CVS. On Wednesday, May 1st at 8 a.m. is the Sholo Chamber Business Breakfast at Solterra. And then at 4 p.m. is the MPC Student Art Show and Awards Reception, and that'll be at MPC. Friday, May 2nd at 12 p.m. is a camp dress fashion show at Arrowhead Cafe, and that's out on Fort Apache. At 2 p.m. is the Teen Volunteer Opportunities with the City of Sholo. They have various opportunities for teenagers this summer, so contact them and they'll let you know where to get signed up for those different opportunities. At 4 p.m. is the Steak Cook-Off at Frontier Park, which is the pre-barbecue throwdown, and anybody can enter the Steak Cook-Off.
Yeah, that's a pretty cool thing. They give you the steak. You don't have to bring a steak. You just bring everything you're going to cook it on. You cook it, put it in, so anybody can compete in it.
Yeah, which is really cool that they're doing that this year. And then at 6:15 p.m. is Human vs. Zombies at Sholo Library. And then on Saturday, May 3rd, I guess that's right. I think my days may be off. At 8 a.m. is Sholo Elks Lodge Gun Show at Sholo Elks Lodge. And then at 10 a.m. is the 21st Annual Women's Health Conference at Honda, and that's put on by Summit. At 11 a.m. is the 7th Annual Sholo Barbecue Throwdown at Frontier Park. So you can go down there, you can sample all the different people that are doing their barbecue. I think it's $2 a tasting or something.
Yep.
And then they'll have an awards show. And then at 2 p.m. is the Community Cinco de Mayo Fiesta at Blue Ridge Auditorium.
Very cool. So lots of events going on. We're efforting right towards summer. The Wagon Wheel Swap Meet here at near the hub, it opened last weekend. So if you've got something to sell, bring it on out here. They've just got a lot of new spaces and a new area. So come check that out. You can check out the Wagon Wheel Facebook page, and that's the easiest way to find out about it.
I didn't know they did a Facebook page.
Yeah. So that's Adria. I'm Birdman, and go have a blast.